In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Cursor AI. If you've ever wanted your editor to not only execute your program, but also catch errors and fix them for you, this is exactly what Cursor's agent mode is designed to do. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're in the project you want to run, with the files you care about visible in the editor. When you're ready, press Ctrl+I. That opens Agent Mode, which is the conversational panel where you tell Cursor what you want to accomplish, and it translates that into concrete actions. Inside Agent Mode, you can type a plain English instruction. If you just want Cursor to figure things out from context, write "run this code." This is great when your project already has a clear entry point, like a main file or a script it can detect. If you want to be more specific, type execute main.py and fix errors. Being explicit helps the agent choose the right command, especially in multi-file projects or when the entry point isn't obvious. Once you send your instruction, Cursor will plan and run the necessary commands in the background. You'll see it reason about what to execute, then carry out the run in an integrated shell. If anything goes wrong, it reads the error messages, diagnoses the root cause, and begins a self-correcting loop. That can include editing your code, adjusting configuration, or refining the command. You'll get an explanation of what it's doing, so you understand each change as it happens. If the output suggests a missing dependency or a version mismatch, the agent will typically propose a fix and carry it out automatically. You can watch the sequence in the panel as it reruns the program, checks the result, and iterates until the run is successful or it needs more guidance. If the behavior isn't quite what you intended, just clarify your request in the same conversation, for example, by naming the exact file or describing the expected runtime behavior. A quick tip: the clearer your instruction, the fewer iterations it will need. Mention the file you want to execute, any required arguments, or the environment you expect. And as it runs, glance at the plan commands so you're always in control of what's happening. That's all you need. Press Ctrl+I to open Agent Mode, then tell Cursor to run this code, or say execute main.py and fix errors, and let it handle the commands, debug the errors, and apply fixes automatically.